Here's an audio narration based on the provided information, suitable for TTS, focusing on the technical aspects of addressing concerns with DIY electrical work, especially regarding the relevance of licensed electricians. The discussion revolves around a recurring issue observed on electrical forums, specifically the tendency of do-it-yourselfers to try and minimize the significance of adhering to electrical regulations by asserting that the faulty work was performed by a licensed electrician. The core argument is that the correctness of an electrical installation should not depend on who carried out the work. If the electrical work is substandard and does not meet the electrical code, it remains incorrect, regardless of the qualifications of the individual who performed the installation. A crucial aspect of this issue involves the role of inspections. If electrical work is not properly inspected, any errors, whether intentional or unintentional, may go undetected. This lack of oversight can lead to potentially hazardous situations and code violations. Furthermore, the discussion touches on the motivations behind do-it-yourselfers highlighting errors made by licensed electricians. It suggests that this behavior may stem from a desire to bolster their own self-esteem or to downplay the complexity and rigor of electrical work. It's emphasized that even licensed electricians are not infallible and mistakes can occur, reinforcing the importance of thorough inspections and continuous learning. The value of honesty and humility in electrical work is highlighted. Even highly experienced electricians acknowledge the limits of their knowledge and understanding. There is no shame in admitting that one does not possess comprehensive expertise in every area of electrical work. This willingness to acknowledge limitations promotes safer practices and encourages continuous learning. Proper inspections of all electrical work, regardless of who performs it, are crucial for ensuring safety and code compliance. Regular inspections can help identify and correct errors, preventing potential hazards and ensuring the longevity of electrical systems.